Now we want to see for each KPI the top 3 products. Okay, so we're going to do the following. We're going to, here we're going to close this. So this is basically our dashboard, but we're going to calculations, and here we're going to do the following. We're going to first of all copy our KPIs. Find a range, which is this one. I'm going to select this. Okay, select this, then control. Yeah. I'm going to call this list or LST or DD original data KPIs. So formulas, manage name, here this one. Okay, then I'm going to evaluate here. I'm going to get the products with the highest value of KPIs. I'm going to more functions, statistical. I'm going to use the large function. The large function returns the kth largest value in a data set. For example, if k is DD KPIs, okay, or even this one is a function rows 1, 2, 3. This one rows of the same line starting from this. I'm going to get those elements of this array which are on the same row, and I'm gonna make this absolute the column here. I didn't close this large. Yeah, note this, but it's fixed at row 7. Here I need to input an absolute reference to this. Okay, and when I call this as TDD KPIs, edit, I can define this as this one, control this one. Name KPI edit. Okay, I'm going to type it like this. So I'm going to sum. Okay, percentage edit this range, but here I'm going to multiply this area for this factor. Okay, I'm done, and I get this value. Then I'm gonna drag this over. Okay, this part. Okay, we get for KPIs the high table. Okay, we can retrieve also the product. Okay, we see that in the next video.